Hi, I'm Mark. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to the ultimate collaboration solution, the BrightLink Pro. Let's turn it on. So I'll pick up a pen, or I can use my fingers. So basically it's a projection on a whiteboard. You can project this onto a wall, a table, any flat surface. You can project any existing material onto the board and annotate over it if you're connected to a PC or a device, or you can just start with a blank page. Let's get started, I'll show you what I mean. The onboard menu makes it really easy to decide what you want to do next. Everything you need is in this menu, including some useful help options. Let's start with the whiteboard. Okay, so let's say we're having a brainstorming session and I want to take some notes. Now don't forget, I can do this with my fingers too. Now if I accidentally mess up, it's no problem because I can simply erase with my hand. Okay, so when I run out of room, click right here and it'll take me to a new page and everything on the previous whiteboard will be saved. If I want to add a shape, click right here and I can draw it out. I can also select the shape, I can move it, and I can even spin it if I'd like to. You can also upload your own content using a USB. Just insert the device here. There it is. I can also resize the image if I'd like, and I can annotate it as I need to. So like I said earlier, this is all about collaboration. We can share our whiteboard with up to 15 other mobile devices. It will create a random pin code for you, or you can create your own. Now everyone will be able to see what I have on my whiteboard, as well as be able to write on the whiteboard themselves. Others can access the whiteboard by opening their browser, entering the address and the pin code, but there are also other ways to connect. You can scan the QR code using your Epson iProjection app, or you can send the link via email. If participants want to share an image the way that I just did, they just upload the image and there it is. When the meeting's over, you can print it, you could email it, or you could save it for later. Once you're connected, you can share with other participants instantly. Okay, so what if I want to connect my computer? I can do so very simply with an HDMI cable or with a VGA cable. I'll show you. There it is. So that may not sound very exciting, but once I connect a USB, I'm able to control my computer from the board. It essentially becomes a 100-inch tablet. You can also use this as a video conference display. All you have to do is set up Polycom, FaceTime, or Skype. And there she is. Hi, Sarah. So if you're having a meeting, you can split the screen, and you can even make notes while you're having your meeting. Bye, Sarah. Just one BrightLink Pro and you're good to go. For more information, please visit www.epson.com/BrightLink Pro or reach out to one of our sales reps today. Thank you for using Epson products. Epson, exceed your vision.